Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new year and the completion of my December Daily 2022 album. I am creating a double page layout in this video today. It's very quick, very simple to put together, lots of coloring. And it is also filling in the backside of a 2x2 inch pocket page that I created previously. You will find the video for that in my December Daily 2022 playlist. So I will link that in the description box down below so you can go and find it. So the left-hand page of this double page layout is the pocket page. I created my own little 2x2 inch pockets to fill in some of those holes. And then the other ones have photos in them, and then the last couple are just shakers. And then the right-hand page of this layout is a 6x8 inch white rectangle that I cut with my Cricut, and also attached this cut file that says Merry Christmas to it as well. It was a cut file. I converted it to a draw file and just drew it with a black pen. I also added a little offset border to it as well in light gray. It's just slightly larger than the cut file, and then I'm coloring it in. I thought that I would work with a sort of a monochromatic ombre color scheme for this page, so I'm just focusing on the blues, starting with the lightest blue at the top and then murking my way down to the darkest blue, and then the phrase Merry Christmas will be navy blue, and then towards the bottom of the page, it goes in the reverse. So starting from the darkest of the light blues, working to the lightest. I used Spectrum Noir markers to color that page in. I will link those in the description box down below as well, so you can find them if you want to add them to your stash. And here you can see me just putting together the 2x2 inch pocket page now. So I have three photos that I printed at 2x2 inches. Two of them are black and white, one is in color, and then the little cards that I made to go in the 2x2 inch pockets were also draw and cut as well. So I cut them at 2x2 inches and then used the attach function to attach the little images and phrases that are on each of those cards. Again, I just used a black pen to draw all of those. The little North Pole sign does have red ink as well. The word North Pole was written in red ink. I colored it in. I colored in the Christmas tree and gave it some shading as well. And then the star background on that little square was also drawn and then colored in with a yellow pen. That's it for me, friends. Like I said, it came together really quickly. It was a lot of fun to make, and of course a lot of fun to color as well. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. I hope you enjoyed my video. Welcome to my new subscribers. I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm looking forward to what 2023 has in store for us. I will be back again soon with more creative inspiration. Bye, friends.